everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check former usernames on Instagram. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Instagram application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a circle icon with your profile picture on it. Tap on it. Now once you are here on your main profile, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you are here on settings and activity page, scroll down till the bottom. Now under more info and support, tap on the option of about. Now once you are here, you'll see the option of about your account. Tap on it. Now again, tap on the option of former usernames. Now with that, you'll come to this page where your former usernames of your Instagram account will be displayed. As I changed my username more than 5 times, it is not displayed here. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to check your former used usernames on Instagram. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.